Hey there, fellow viewers. If you're a YouTube TV subscriber and want to make sure you never miss your favorite shows, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to record shows on YouTube TV. It's super straightforward and will have you set up in no time. First off, let's get started by ensuring you have a YouTube TV account. If you don't, download the app from your device's store and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, open the YouTube TV app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. You'll land on the home screen, filled with live channels and recommendations. Now, head over to the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens for recordings. Browse through the upcoming shows or use the search bar to find exactly what you're looking for. When you spot a show that catches your eye, tap on it to open the details. Look for the plus icon or the record button. Go ahead and hit that. For a single episode, it records just that one. But if it's a series, you can choose to record new episodes automatically, so you get every installment without lifting a finger. After setting it up, check back in the Library, under the Recorded section to see your saved shows. From there, you can play, delete, or even organize them into folders. One cool thing about YouTube TV is that your recordings are stored in the cloud, meaning you can access them from any device anytime. If you encounter any hiccups, like storage limits, just double-check your account settings or subscription status. And remember, recordings are typically available for up to 9 months, so binge away. There you have it. Recording shows on YouTube TV is a breeze. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.